Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk on string. What is string? String is a textual data. Textual data are things like name of a person, name of an animal, name of a phone, a certain words, or a message. All these are textual data. In other words, string is a sequence of characters that are immutable. Immutable in the sense that once you created a string in Python programming, you cannot change the original copy of the string. And let's look at how string is created. We can create string by enclosing text in a single quotation mark, double quotation mark, or triple quotation mark. For example, using single quotation mark, this is boy, and this is the input boy enclosed in a single quotation mark, and the output is boy, and another the same string created using double quotation mark boy, and the same output boy. And let's use the triple quotation mark to create the same string. So this is the three ways to create a string in Python programming language by using single quotation mark, double quotation mark, or triple quotation mark. Thank you.